Hey, I'm Josh from Meadowsmirth Farm. This week's recipe is really special. In honor of the solstice, I'm going to be making two soups, a butternut squash soup and a beet soup. Then I'm going to be nesting one soup inside of the other. Beautiful and delicious. Check out the video, and if you like it, reshare on your social media or send the video to a friend. Let's make some soup. Alright, so I've got a nice little butternut squash soup. This soup is so easy to make and yet looks so fancy. I hope you'll try it out. Cut my butter in half, scoop out the seeds, and then I'm going to cut it into slices to make it easier to peel. Just using a vegetable peeler, just take those peels right off. Not too worried about it. And then I'm going to cut it into chunks. Again, I'm not worried I'm going to puree it all, so similar size, but don't stress about it. I'm going to cut up a couple onions that'll go into each of the soup. Then I'm going to cut my beets. I washed those. Again, cut them into chunks, but I'm leaving the skins on. Look at that color. It's so beautiful. I'll saute my onion in my first pan. When that's nice and sauteed, I'm going to add my butternut squash and the spice packet. You can check out my website for the spice profiles on both the beet and the butternut. Came out really nice. The butternut's a little bit more of a curry. Beet's a little bit more peppery. Now I get a second pan going. Added some water to the butternut. Now I got a second pan going. Add my spices for my beets. I'm gonna fill that up with some water. And then I'm just gonna simmer the whole thing until they're ready. About 20 minutes or so. 25 minutes. Then I'm gonna puree it down. Again, so simple. Puree it down. Here's my immersion blender. There's the butternut squash, so beautiful. And then I'm going to puree the beets. Nice earthy flavor in those. Purees up really nicely. And then I'm going to combine the two soups, starting with the butternut squash, and then I'm going to use a spoon and gently pour in the beets. Add salt to taste, maybe a little olive oil on top. It's really good. Alright, the soup is ready. I have the butternut nestled with the beet. Just going to give this a try. Oh my goodness. The earthy beet flavor, the sweet butternut squash, a little bit of curry in the butternut. This is a really good soup. Now this soup is good any time of year, but for me it's my traditional solstice soup. So from me to you, happy solstice. Keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.